Okay, so just about a year ago, I took my 2018 Tesla Model 3 and updated its steering wheel and its seats. I mean, it's just a way to make me take an old relic car that's 7+ years old and give it a refresh. I got both of these from EV Offer. Great seats. It actually gave it a performance upgrade. It's exact seats that the new performance Model 3s and Model Ys have that I was able to put in my old 2018 Model 3. Not only that, but I took the steering wheel and installed a Cybertruck steering wheel. Now, both of these worked perfectly fine, but recently EV Offer reached out and was like, hey, we've updated both of them. Would you like to check them out? And I was like, sure. Let's do it. So we're over here at EV Mod. If you haven't heard of them, they do all your installs for anything aftermarket. You can get it done here. They're in Fremont, California. If you haven't checked them out, please check them out. But they are going to be installing the new seats, which I've heard are comfier, better. I had no problems with the last ones. But more importantly, the steering wheel, the Cybertruck steering wheel that I have today, is just the look of the Cybertruck. But the new one, it changes the airbag design, it actually incorporates the heating element, and all of the touch capacitive buttons work where they didn't work before. So let's get them installed and I'll show you how I took my 2018 Model 3 and made it look newer, cooler, and more refreshed. So this is my current Cybertruck steering wheel. I got this from EV Offer. As you can see, this is the Model 3 airbag that's put into here. And it's got all of these touch capacitive buttons, but they don't do anything. They're just for show. Now the scroll wheels work, obviously they have to, but outside of that, it is just merely for the design element. Now, the new steering wheel is pretty much about the same size, but in this steering wheel, the buttons actually will work, these touch capacitive buttons. Not only that, but the steering wheel is heated. I have never had a heated steering wheel because they didn't exist back in 2018. But not only that, the center piece, this airbag piece, as you can see, this is from the Model 3, whereas on the new one, I'll have the updated airbag design. So that will give it a nice, refreshed, cleaner look. Now, let me show you my seats. Now, you guys saw this in my last video a year ago. These are the performance seats. They are from the new performance vehicles, and they're here in my 2018 Model 3. And they work amazing. They're ventilated, they're heated, they're perfect. And I told the EV Offer that, I mean, mine work perfectly. Do I really need the new ones? And they said, yes, you do. So I'm gonna get those installed. I've heard that they have better bolstering, they're more comfortable, more support, better airflow, and so forth. So not only that, they're customizable. So no longer will I have all black seats. The new ones will have a pretty cool look to it. So let's get them installed and I'll let you know my thoughts. Okay, so here's the old seat right here that has been pulled out, all black. So that's how you can tell the differences, but we're still in the process of installing, but you'll see here, here's the base of the old one, and here's the base of the new one. So a little sneak peek on what it's gonna look like. I got white seats with the black Alcantara as a accent here. But just right off the cuff, what I'm noticing is like, these are the side bolsters on the old one. They're fairly, I don't know, I think they're more squishier. And then on the new one, this seems to be a little bit more firmer. So more like the OEM seat. So that's pretty cool, but check out the Alcantara on there. Really nice. Yep, that is good. And then of course, still ventilated. I gotta have ventilation. But yeah, there's that. And here's this. You can see even here, look at the hips, or the kind of like the thigh support. Look at how much is on that one. And then on this one, not as much. So yeah, you Can already tell this is gonna be good. Okay, so if you haven't heard of EV Mod, they're here in Fremont, California, and I figure while they're getting everything set up for the car, let me show you the shop. So if you've ever wanted to change anything about your Tesla, this is the place. They have it all here, from screens to covers for your top to, I don't know, LED lighting, steering wheels, all on display in the lobby. Okay, we're back at EV Mod and the stuff is done, and oh my God, dude, look at this. Look at this. Look at these seats. Okay, visually they look amazing, but just, I can tell already there is a more hip support here. The bolsters are bigger. The side bolstering is nice. This Alcantara is nice. Look at the graphic right here. And then this steering wheel. So I thought it was about the same, but no, this is smaller than the old one. So I have the old one right here. And I mean, you could just see, like, look at the size difference. This is more like the OEM steering wheel from the Cybertruck. And now all the stuff, let's get in there and take a look at this. Okay, so this steering wheel, I've got right turn signal works, left turn signal works. Look at the new horn. Nice. And then cool, like activate the cameras. You've got voice to speak, you got the wipers. So all of this works. And then not only that, but the signal can still work from the stock over here as well. But dude, this is nice. And look, my knees have clearance. On the old one, it didn't. So this is awesome. And the seat feels good. So like, I'm sitting here in this seat and like, I'm not just saying it, but like, this does feel better than the V1. So, I mean, EV Offer, great work on this stuff. And oh, my seats are getting warmed up. And then now you can individually control the cooling element on the driver's seat and the passenger seat. And a lot of people are like, well, how do you do that? There's no extra button. So if I go to the left defroster here and I click it 3 times, that turns on the cooling element on the driver's seat. And then on the right side, 2 times, and that turns on the cooling element on the passenger seat. So really easy. It's all just built right into the dash, which is awesome. Really handy to have that. But these seats are amazing. I mean, God, they just look so good. And I love the white pop on here. I think it matches the car. It ties back in the white dashboard element. So I'm really happy with this. I love that steering wheel. I love how much smaller it is. More like the OEM Cybertruck steering wheel. So this was awesome work. Thank you to the guys over at EV Mod and EV Offer. If you want to get accessories like this and more, like all that stuff I showed you in the front of house, in the lobby, all the stuff that EV Offer has, check out their website. I'll leave a link to them down below, and I'll leave a link to EV Mod here in Fremont if you want to get any of that cool stuff installed and take your car and make it newer and cooler and latest and greatest and all that jazz. Check them out. I'll put them all down below. But if you liked what you saw, make sure you like and comment down on the video down below. Make sure you hit subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.